In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear history in Chrome for YouTube, step by step, so you can quickly remove your watch history from the correct account. This is useful if you want to reset your recommendations, keep your viewing activity private, or just clean up your YouTube history in a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to YouTube. Before you do anything else, make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. This is really important, because if you're on the wrong account, you might clear the wrong history, and that can be confusing later. Once you've confirmed the correct account is active, look to the top left corner of the YouTube homepage and click the Hamburger menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, and it opens the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From there, find and click History in the left menu. This will take you to your YouTube history page, where you can see your recent watch activity and manage it. On the right side of the screen, you should see the option to clear all watch history. Click that button, and YouTube will ask you to confirm your choice in a pop-up window. Take a moment to make sure you really want to remove this history, because once you confirm it, your watch history will be cleared for that account. When you're ready, click Confirm in the pop-up, and YouTube will delete your watch history. And that's it. Your YouTube history in Chrome has been cleared successfully. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.